Now, we use hot water for this. And the purpose of using hot water so the emulsion will come together. We need that. Boom. Now you got shower gel. Simple. You can use it as shower gel, or you can just have it on the kitchen counter and use it as hand soap. But one thing I didn't do is add my fragrance to it. So someone said it looked like bubble gum, and it could have. So let's do this. Let's actually do this correctly. So I'm going to start off by using. I'm going to eyeball this, and I'm going to put some xantham gum in the bottom. Now, we use coconut oil, and we used 15 milliliters of coconut oil earlier. So we're going to start off with that as well. So I got my coconut oil, and I'm doing this backwards. Okay? Because we want the xanthan gum. I want the xanthan gum to dissolve. Because we want it to be like a gel-like consistency. And I'm mixing this so you all can see it. What happens when it starts to congeal. Boom, 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 boom. So it's a slow process, but it's happening.